প্রফেশনালি ফটো এডিটিং এর কথা বলি তাহলে সবার ফার্স্টেই চলে আসে Adobe Photoshop, then it comes up to Adobe Lightroom, and then PixArt, Photor, Snapseed, and the other third-party applications which are available in the Play Store. But today I'm gonna talk about a very special photo editor. বিভিন্ন ফটো এডিটরে আপনারা বিভিন্ন ইউনিক ফিচার্স পেয়ে যাচ্ছেন. লাইক if I talk about firstly Adobe Photoshop, then you can customize your photos in a next level by Adobe Photoshop, and then it comes up to Adobe Lightroom. Adobe Lightroom এর মাধ্যমে আপনারা আপনাদের ছবির কালার স্যাচুরেশন, ইভেন কালার কারেকশনগুলো খুব সুন্দর মতো করতে পারেন. অ্যান্ড নট অনলি দিস বাট অলসো PixArt এর মাধ্যমে, PixArt খুব জনপ্রিয় একটা অ্যাপ. PixArt এর মাধ্যমে আপনারা অনেক ধরনের মিনিমালিস্টিক কাজগুলো করতে পারেন যেগুলো একটা ফটোকে সুন্দর করার জন্য দরকার. বাট টুডে আই ওয়ান্না টক অ্যাবাউট সামথিং স্পেশাল, লাইক কোনো একটা ফটো এডিটর যে ফটো এডিটরের মধ্যে কম্প্যাক্ট করে সব ধরনের ফিচার্স দেওয়া রয়েছে. এরকম কোনো ফটো এডিটরকে আপনারা এখন পর্যন্ত ইউজ করতে পেরেছেন? আমি সেই ব্যাপারে জানি না. বাট টুডে আই উইল শেয়ার আ স্পেশাল ফটো এডিটিং সফটওয়্যার উইথ ইউ which will keep your photo editing skills to a next level. But dedicatingly I gonna talk about only one photo editor which can make your photo editing skills to a next level. So hey guys, assalamu alaikum, it's me Hasanul Chomnik from Dhaka Mirpur, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna talk about a very special photo editor which is none other than the Toolbiz photo editor you can see here. And before starting this video I would like to say jara ekhono amar channel subscribe koreni, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for the latest updates of my videos, and stay tuned with me. First চলে যাই আমরা আমাদের অ্যাপ্লিকেশনটি ওপেন করলে আপনি একটি খুব সুন্দর অ্যান্ড স্মুথ ইউআই দেখতে পারবেন. এই অ্যাপ্লিকেশনটির ইউআই ট্রানজিশন অ্যান্ড ইউজার এক্সপিরিয়েন্স দ্যাট মাচ আই ইউজড, এটার ইউজার এক্সপিরিয়েন্স অনেক ক্লিন. এই অ্যাপ্লিকেশনটির ইউআই ইন্টারফেস মাচ ক্লিন অ্যান্ড আপনার ডেডিকেটেড সেটিংস খুঁজতে সেরকম কোনো সমস্যাই হবে না. অ্যান্ড দ্য সেকেন্ড থিং কামস আপ টু দি ফিচার্স. আপনি এখানে একটা না দুইটা না টানা 24 ধরনের ছবি এডিট করতে পারবেন. দিস ইজ আ গুড থ্রোব্যাক. লাইক আপনি এখানে প্রো এডিটিংসের জন্য আলাদা অপশনস পাচ্ছেন, ইভেন ওয়াটার রিফ্লেকশনসের জন্য আলাদা অপশনস পাচ্ছেন. নট অনলি দিস আর হিয়ার প্রিজমার্ট, স্লাইড শো, ডুডল অ্যান্ড অলসো লাইভ ফটোজ. পাশের স্ক্রিনে আমরা যদি সোয়াইপ ডাউন করি তাহলে দেখতে পারবো হিয়ার আর পিআইপি অ্যান্ড অলসো ইউ ক্যান টিউন ইউর ফেস বাই ফেস টিউন. ইট হ্যাভ টেক্সট অলসো, urban editings also, photo collages, picture trip, and also the other stuffs. These are presented here, and you can see these are all the features we are getting in the front side. You can edit your photos in 24 different types of items, that whatever you want to edit you can edit by this. As of we are creating a professional photo editing, we have and then it comes up to our gallery and we have to choose our photos from here. So I'm gonna choose this one, and you can see this is the interface of your editing panel, and you have to click on your edits whatever you want to do from here. So at first I want to capture your notice to a good point, which is you can see here is a here is a sign. You can see here is an icon dedicated here. It dedicates the actual color combination which are presented in this photo. This is the color diagram of our photo. So in each photo, so in every single photos, this will show you this color diagram and dedicate you what is the exact position of your colors in your photo. So now comes up to the tools. If you're gonna tools, you will see different types of the starter pack of your editing. Like you can crop your photo from here and also rotate, perspective, resize, and also the other stuffs. But there are some key stuffs presented here, like the first one comes up to the draw. You can draw your image or rewrite your image from here. Like you can see these are the options. You can see I can draw my photo from here. Now just go back from here and you can see here is a magic cutout option. So just click on the magic cutout option and you can see here comes up to the three settings, which is cutout, shape, and the settings. You can cut out your photo from here. Like suppose I gonna cut this one, so I will just mark this and you can see it just dedicated it automatically. This is the live proof here, so you can cut your photos easily and you can dedicate the object what you actually need. where you can go and you can make your photo more brighter. This is the option which calls disco. And then go back, you will see here an option called the lens correction. This option will dedicate your center and the edge bottom of your photo, which is presented here. Like you can see, if I set the centers, the centers are default set it by 5, and if I changed it, you can see my photo is going to change. And also not only this, but also if I go to edges, it will also change my edges too. Like you can see my edges are got changed right now. So you can customize your photos from here. Now come up to the other features. Let's go for the color toning, and we are moving to color toning. You can see here are various options for color toning and a manual level of color from here. Like here are lots of variations of options. You will don't get regret for this. So I'm gonna show you something. This is the brightness and the exposure. Both are different. Most people become confused between what is brightness and also what is exposure. So you have to keep this on your brain, and please don't make these both issues confused. You can see this is the level of my photos. You can see this is the input option and this is the output option, which dedicates which is the actual color grading of my photo for the color correction. And now it comes up to the color balance, which also works for the color correction. Now it comes up to the HSL, white balance, temperature, gradient features here for color editing, which is a very plus point. Filters. If I talk about the filters, you can see filters have also different types of stuff here. These are the options which are presented in the filter. Like if I go to the Prismart, you can see here different types of filters here. You can also rewrite on these filters. And now if I go back and if I go to portrait, you can see here are lots of filters which are available for portrait also. Now it's time to go for some vintage vibes. So we click on vintage and it takes us to the vintage effects of photos. Like this is the old love, lukewarm and ginger. These are all the vintage effects you can add from here. So these are shortly about the filters. You can get maximum variations of filters from here. And now it comes up to the portrait mode. So what's actually in the portrait effect, you can change the actual shape of your body of some object. So this comes up with the portrait photo editing option. By this you can edit your photo in a by this you can edit your photo by this you can edit your dedicated person's photo manually. Like you can change the body shape and also the height, the face triggers and also and all the body appliances which are presented. You can manually change it and make your photo a good quality. Comes up to the effects. Here is a number of collections which are actually beautiful, which are actually stunning. Like if I go for the PIP, you can see the PIP image comes so better, and I didn't make any custom editing by this. This is the live proof. You can see not only this, you can also see this one. This is the another PIP. PIPs are mostly very smart and you don't need to customize it manually. And you can see this is the third one, and this also is very sharp. You can see you can change the background by your mind. However, I shortly jump to the 3 key features which are presented here, which is why actually you need this photo editor. There are the 3 key features which you actually need, and it comes up to the, you can see, photography, enhance and art. Like these 3 options are not presented in other photo editing softwares altogether, but in this photo editor which calls Toolwiz, you are getting the 3 options together in one photo editor. So just think how much better can be your photo. So I am going for the first one, which calls photography, which I personally prefer for photographies because of I'm a photo editor and also I love to click photos. So if I go for the photography, the first option comes up with blur. You can blur your photos by the 2 sides of the background. Now it comes up to the lens blur. Blur and lens blur both are same, but the density of the blur should be changed if it comes up to the different types of blur options like lens blur, smooth blur and also the other options. And now comes up to the depth of field, you can see this is the focus options which make your photos more sharper, but you can see the bokeh, this makes your photos blurred. So this is the depth of field. You can see here is an option called vignette. We all mostly know about vignette, which makes our photos a little bit darker from the edges and the sides. This vignette is also the same. This is the radius of my vignette switcher by default 50, and I'm gonna change it. You can see it's gonna change right now. This photo editing software works so fast and also so smooth, so you don't need to think about any glitch or lag in this photo editor, and as smooth as faster in any kind of mobile phone, whatever you use. Now it's time to enhance the photo, which can be very helpful for you. Like you can see, this is the option of auto tune. And also you can clarify your photo from here. The clarity comes up, which clarity makes your photo objects more sharper and more smoother. This calls clarity. Like if I click on this, you can see my photo is clarified now, and if I go back and jump to the other option, which is sharpen, this makes your photo more sharper. But sharpen have also some other options here. Like you can see this different sharpens comes up with different types, so you have to choose the exact sharpen which is suitable for your video or photo. And now it comes to the HDR. You can see we all know about HDR. It makes our photos more enhanced. So HDR are also different types of categories. You can see here are all the HDRs, but I must prefer to edit your photo manually. This comes up to the final option, which goes for art. This is actually a minimal version Adobe Sketchbook application. Whatever it is, this is a shorter version of Adobe. You can see these are the crayon, and your photo is now just moved to a crayon effect. So here are also many options and features which are very useful for all of us for a perfect photo editing. So I would must say, and I would must recommend, because of I am using this application almost 1.5 years, and I am fully satisfied. This application is coated with lots of premium effects and functions which will make your photo just a goddamn. So I prefer must use this application, and tell me what is the exact review of yours. I will be very pleased if you let me know. So I will put the download link in the description below. You can check the description box. So this is a short video of Toolviz photo editor, what I just explained. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for the latest updates of my videos. Thank you so much. Goodbye.